Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I film and edit my videos, as well as how I edit and take my thumbnails. This is different than any other video that I've watched on this topic. I've watched quite a few people kind of explain how they use Imovie or Final Cut Pro, how they take their thumbnails and all of this. I do it quite differently just because of the situation I am in and because of the tools available to me, I guess you could say. So yeah, let's just go right into this video. So the first step in creating these videos for me is sitting down and planning out my videos and when I want what posted, and I bulk plan. Like I have right now is the end of January and I have to the middle of February planned. So I just have this notebook. I believe it is a Mead notebook. I really like it. It's glittery. Anyway, that's irrelevant besides the point. And then so this whole page is, to you guys it might seem like a big scrambled mess. However, to me, I have like my rhyme and rhythm to it. So this is all of my planning. I'll take you through it, don't worry. So as you can see right here is just all of the dates. This video is actually on the next page, and right here is when this video will be posted. However, okay, so these green check marks mean that it is filmed. These green check marks means that it is uploaded and scheduled to go live at whatever day and time I wanted it to. So, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you guys didn't know, hey, hello, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So as you can see, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't know if you guys can truly see that, but on Monday I posted The Truth About Teaching Swimming Lessons story time, and these are working titles, not necessarily the titles that I go with. However, that is how I plan, and like I mentioned, I bulk plan. I have a list in my phone. I will try and pull that up for you. I have a list in my phone of hundreds of videos ideas and like the basis of what it would be like. So we'll go all the way to the top. Okay. Can you even see? Okay, there we go. So here, scroll all the way down. Like I have hundreds of video ideas, and I take those ideas, and once I am ready to plan my next set of videos, I basically tend to plan 15 videos in advance. So like I will write down 15 of these ideas when I want them up, stuff like that. I will take videos from my notes app and put them onto here and schedule them, make a working title, everything like that. So it's confusing, I know, but that is how I plan out my videos. Next is the equipment. I see comments on popular YouTubers videos all the time saying, I really want to start a channel but I don't have the proper equipment. I really want to start a channel but I can't afford a camera or a ring light or this or that. I started out without a tripod, without a ring light, without any sort of setup. If you go back to my old videos, I was sitting on my floor with nothing but this beige wall behind me. Now I've been making videos for a year and a bit now, so I now have this setup and this background and everything like that. Okay, I'm not too sure where I was, but the equipment, I think I was basically just saying how I started with nothing other than my iPhone, and I still film on an iPhone today. However, I didn't have a ring light, I didn't have a tripod. My old setup was so ratchet, like it was so like rookie looking. Like I had my iPhone set up in a selfie stick laid up against my bed so that it would stay still. I was sitting on the floor like it was a whole thing. Now I am sitting in a chair, I have my background behind me, and you're on a chair, and like I will show you, I'll show you what I film with. I still film, I think I film on an iPhone 6 most of the time. I recently got the iPhone XR, so like vlogs and stuff like that are filmed on this camera now, which I think is better quality, but you guys can be the judge in a second. This is an iPhone 6, I believe. I also sometimes film on my iPhone 7. Everything I film is on some sort of iPhone. You are now in a tripod, a cheap tripod from Amazon. I think it was $20. My ring light is also a cheap ring light from the app Wish, actually. I think it was like $5. And I think that's about it. So obviously this is the background you guys see. This is what you see. This is in front of the camera. I have my elephant pictures, my candle. Like I tried to make my background look nice. And then this is what behind the camera looks like. So you guys are sitting on a kitchen chair. This is the tripod from Amazon. That is my iPhone. I believe it's an iPhone 6. I really can't remember. This ring light is from Wish. As you can see, it's just a small ring light. Like it's not one of those big ones. And you cannot stand it up. It has to be sitting on something. So this is what I film with, and I mean, if I do say so myself, my videos aren't complete trash. So as you guys can see, you don't need the best equipment to get started. I obviously at one point really do want to get a camera, and I want a regular ring light. However, this is what I have, and this is what is accessible to me, and I didn't want to put off making my channel any longer just because I didn't have the equipment. So you gotta start from somewhere, and I have worked my way up a little bit. I now have a tripod instead of a selfie stick. I now have a small ring light. Next step is I do want to get a camera, but we're still gonna have to wait for that because I'm still in school and can't afford one. So that is the equipment that I use. Again, you guys do not English. You guys do not need the high professional equipment to get started. You can work your way up to that, or I've been a year and a bit now and I'm still using an iPhone to film. So yeah. Okay, and now I am actually going to put my iPhone 10 up there, and I'm going to show you guys how I edit. Okay, so now I am using a different camera. Let me know what quality is better. I have started using this camera, or this phone, to, I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I am now on a different camera, so let me know if you can see the quality difference with it. I'm now going to screen record on my phone, or on this phone, the phone I typically film with. I'm going to screen record and kind of just go over the basic steps that I use to edit my videos. So I also edit on my phone. I use Imovie. So we'll just open that up. That is an old one. And I just go to new one, make a movie, and we will start with my, we'll see if this is right. Okay, so I also forgot, I put a black picture at the end of my videos so that my outro goes in smoothly. So as you guys saw, that is how you import your videos into iMovie. So now I'm just going to put in music. I recently found a really great no copyright YouTube channel, so I use their music. The credits for the music are always in the description of my video. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna use the Fredgy Happy Life song. and I turn that down to 25, just like that. Okay. Gotta keep it upright. I always forget that it will not turn with it, so I'm gonna keep it upright. So I obviously turn the camera on, do whatever else I quickly need to do, and then I start my intro. So I just cut. All you do to cut is you click the clip and then you swipe down, and then it divides it, and then you take the clip you want to delete, and then you just go to the scissors and then hit delete. And then I cut a little bit too much, so then you just take this bright yellow bar at the very beginning and you just spread it to the left a little bit, and then again, until you get to the actual clip that you want, like the starting point of the clip you want, and then you just let it roll until you want it to edit again. So I guess these. Bless me. So my intro now is, hey guys, or hello and welcome to my channel, or something like that. Like, hello guys and welcome to my channel. And then I want to end there, so I'll just click it again, swipe down, and then this pink clip is my new intro. And then how I fade my clips is these, like there's a straight line outlined in yellow, and then the whatever that is, it's dissolved, like there's two triangles meeting together. I'm gonna go to the line down and switch it to dissolve. Okay, and now this is how it will look. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I really like how it fades into my name, and then it goes right back into the clips. So that is how I dissolve it from clip to clip. Sometimes I don't, sometimes, especially if it's like mid-clip and I don't want like people to notice that I've cut there, I just leave it at that line. And then the only other thing I can think of that I really do is I zoom in a lot sometimes. So I just click this little, what's it called? Magnoscope? This little button with the plus sign, and then it says pinch to zoom. So I just pinch to whatever I want, and then it's obviously not how I'm leaving this video, but that is how you zoom in and out. And that is all I think I do. Like I said, I have a black picture at the end of my video, so that I will show you how that works actually. So this is how my videos actually end. Then I turn the camera off. How they look after editing is this. To some extent, I will tamper with that because I'm still not happy with that. But that is how I edit my videos. That part of this video got really, really long, so I apologize. So that is how I edit my videos. I did a camera switch once again. So again, please let me know what quality you think is better. I think my iPhone 10, which I was just filming on, has a lot more zoomed in, and it is like the better quality camera. Next, we are gonna go into my thumbnails. So all you need to edit my thumbnails is the app Fonto and the app Photo Editor. So I will just make a fake thumbnail right now. Okay, so this is the photo that I will be using as my thumbnail. Whenever I forget to use a thumbnail or forget to take a thumbnail, this is the one I always end up using. So then you're just gonna tap it and add text will come up, and I'll say video editing. I really like the bold text, and then I always switch it to this pink color. I will make it significantly larger, and then swipe once to the left and hit curve, and then I just like adding a little bit of a curve to it. Obviously, it's gonna look different depending on how many words you have and how big you put it. Like, obviously, you have more words, you're gonna want it smaller so that all the words can fit in the curve. But this is how this one is working, and then I will just go ahead and save that. Save image. And then I go into photo editor. And I only use one step in my photo editor. And that is enhance, high def, apply, done. That is how I edit my thumbnails. Now for how I take my thumbnails is I literally, like, usually I would end the clip and then I would start a different clip and then I would just pose. So typically all my thumbnails are behind or in front of this background, so I'd just be like, literally just pose for probably 30 seconds to a minute, and then in editing I will go back to that clip and I will screenshot it wherever I want it, like whatever pose worked or looked better, I will screenshot that and that'll be my thumbnail. So that is it for this video. It is a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, so I hope you guys stick around. I hope you guys realize that you don't need all the fancy tools and materials to fancy tools and equipment to get started on your YouTube channel. Keep in mind, I started out with nothing but a selfie stick and an iPhone, and now I have a small ring light, small tripod, and I made myself a background. So if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, start now, because I really regret not starting mine sooner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a few tricks and tips. I don't do nothing too fancy with my editing. I'm still kind of getting used to it, to be honest. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.